Welcome back to Bike Rush, where legendary motorcycles meet modern passion. Today, we're diving into a true icon reborn, the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175, a classic dual-sport spirit revived for a new generation of riders. The original DT-2 175 earned its reputation as a lightweight, do-it-all machine that could handle trails, backroads, and daily rides with ease. The 2026 model stays faithful to that heritage while refining the experience with modern reliability and subtle updates that respect its roots. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 is a compact, responsive 175 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. Tuned for smooth power delivery and strong low-end torque, it excels on dirt trails and city streets alike. The lightweight nature of the bike keeps acceleration lively and handling confidence inspiring, making it ideal for both beginners and nostalgic enthusiasts. The DT-2 175 features a slim, agile chassis designed for versatility. Its balanced geometry allows quick direction changes on rough terrain while remaining stable on pavement. Long travel suspension absorbs bumps effectively, delivering a comfortable ride whether you're exploring off-road paths or cruising through town. Yamaha keeps the design refreshingly retro. The 2026 DT-2 175 showcases classic lines, a minimalist profile, and timeless dual-sport proportions. Vintage color accents blend seamlessly with modern finishes, creating a motorcycle that looks just as good parked as it does in motion. Upright ergonomics, a flat seat, and wide handlebars give riders excellent control and comfort. The lightweight build makes the bike easy to manage, especially in tight off-road situations or stop-and-go urban riding. It's approachable, friendly, and confidence-boosting. While staying true to its old-school charm, the 2026 DT-2 175 benefits from modern engineering standards. Improved reliability, efficient fueling, and durable components ensure low maintenance and everyday usability without compromising its classic character. The 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 is perfect for riders who appreciate simplicity, versatility, and heritage. It's an excellent choice for new riders, collectors, or anyone looking for a lightweight dual sport that delivers pure riding enjoyment without unnecessary complexity. The 2026 Yamaha DT-2 175 proves that legends never fade, they evolve. By blending timeless design with modern dependability, Yamaha delivers a motorcycle that celebrates the past while riding confidently into the future. Stay tuned to Bike Rush for more iconic bike stories, reviews, and rider-focused content.